In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file Form 8862 on TurboTax. If you need to submit Form 8862, this usually means you're trying to reclaim eligibility for a tax credit after it was previously reduced or disallowed. In TurboTax, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through exactly how to get to the right section and complete it smoothly. To begin, sign into TurboTax and open your return. Once you're inside your tax file, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in 8862. This is the fastest way to jump directly to the section related to the form instead of browsing through multiple menus. After entering 8862, look for the matching result that appears. Next, click on Earned Income Credit. This option will take you into the area where TurboTax asks the questions connected to Form 8862. Even though the form can relate to prior credit issues, TurboTax places this path under the Earned Income Credit section, so that's the correct option to select here. After that, click Continue. This moves you from the search result into the guided interview, where TurboTax will help determine whether Form 8862 needs to be included with your return. The interview format is helpful because it reduces the chance of missing something important. Now, answer the questions on the screen carefully. This is the key part of the process. TurboTax will ask for information about your prior tax situation and your current eligibility. Read each question slowly and make sure your answers are accurate and consistent with your tax records. If you're unsure about a response, it's a good idea to pause and review any IRS notices or prior year return information you may have before continuing. Taking an extra moment here can help prevent errors or delays later. Once you've completed the questions, click Continue again. TurboTax will use your answers to determine the next steps and whether Form 8862 should be added to your return. That's all there is to it. The main thing is to use the search bar to find 8862, open the Earned Income Credit section, continue into the guided interview, answer each question carefully, and then continue once more to let TurboTax process your responses. If you're working through your return, make sure to review everything before filing so your information is complete and accurate. With those steps finished, you'll be in the right place to handle Form 8862 in TurboTax.